Today at Battery Guyz Nation, we are installing a battery in a 2015 Hyundai Sonata. For this project, you will need a flathead screwdriver and proceed to take off the plastic tabs, which is located on the hood of the car itself. These tabs is actually connecting the airflow, what you see right here in this car right here. You need to take off those first. Just kind of like lift your flathead underneath the tabs and kind of like wiggle it until the tabs pops out. Once those tabs pops out, you'll be easily to remove the airflow from the car itself. Okay, once you get that airflow intake off, the next thing you would need would be a 10mm socket or a wrench to take off the positive and the negative terminal from this battery itself. And also too, there is a battery bracket that's holding down in the center of the battery itself. You need to take that off first. So you will need a 13mm socket and a long extension with a ratchet to properly take off the battery bracket itself. Okay, the next step you want to do is you want to take off that center battery bracket, which is holding down the battery itself. You use a 13mm socket and just turn it clockwise until you free the bolt from the battery itself. Once you got the old battery out, now you can insert the new battery. Today we are installing the world's best reconditioned battery back into this 2015 Hyundai Sonata. This Hyundai Sonata takes a group size H5. You need approximately 650 and up ccas to properly maintain some great power in this car. Anything less, you will have a drain and you will have some issues with this vehicle. So make sure your battery is at least 650 cold cranking amps higher, putting a new battery back into this vehicle itself. And if this is your first time visiting Battery Guyz with a Z, if we're showing value today, please like the video, share the video, and also to subscribe to the channel as well, because we are uploading daily videos of all types of installs we do here at Battery Guyz Nation. We're also showing you our recycling process, exactly how we are recycling batteries to save the environment. And we're also going to show the whole recondition process too, exactly how we recondition the world's best reconditioned battery as well too. Any suggestions or ideas you would like to see on the channel itself, please leave a comment below, and we'll definitely appreciate all comments. Okay, once you got the new battery back in here, you want to install the positive terminal nets, and also make sure you always install the negative terminal last, which is also known as the ground. And the last step you do, you want to put that battery bracket back to brace down the battery itself. Just put that bracket down flush, and then you take your bolt. Start with my hand, just kind of screwing with your hand first. Once you get it started with the groove, then you can use your long extension with a 13mm socket to continue to tighten up that bolt for the battery bracket itself. And don't forget the airflow as well too. It's very easy to stick that back into the groove itself, and then take your 3 flathead screws you took out and just put them back in. They pop in easily as well too. Just make sure you don't try to break those plastic tabs, because they are kind of sensitive. So just take your time putting those back into the groove itself. She'll pop in easily though. If you have to too, you also can use a flat mallet or a big end of a wrench and kind of like just bam down on those tabs. Make sure they're in there good.